Let's reduce and see where our website breaks. If you feel it already broke for you just because we have this on this line and copy on the next line, feel free to apply the styles. I'm not going to do that. Let's keep going. I think it's the moment to have just 2 cars and not 4 cars here on this row. So let me actually make that. What's my breakpoint is this one, and when we remove the cars, we won't have these borders anyway. Open your same brand car models and write add include responsiveness pixel to EM. Let's put 800 and put here grid template columns 50%, save this, go and check. It's not here, so let's see if we have reduced it enough. Yes, then let's remove this border. So let's just copy this, paste here, border, none, nice. Let's keep reducing. Even our items here are okay, but here we can increase the font size. So let's use 650 as our breakpoint. Where are you item? Here on top. So 65. Change this font size to, let's say, 3 RAM. If it's not enough, then we change. And let's actually increase this more. 3.40. Just put some 2 here and see if this is gonna give us a good view. Yes. Next, let's see what we can change right here on this breakpoint. 650. Now we can be showing just 1 car. It would be nice, I think. So let's go back there where we put 50-50. Let's just change to 65. Grid template columns 100%. Save. And yeah, it's better in my opinion. But let's just give some margin to the top. So after we remove this border, let's just paste that code 65 and remove the margin to the top. But we don't do that for the last one. So it's not to remove, it's actually to increase a margin to the top, except for this first one because it actually has a good space, but these ones don't have. So, and it's not, instead of being last child, we're gonna say what? First child. So let's put our margin to the top of some 5 RAM. I think it's gonna look okay. Here we have, it's something nice. Yes. Okay, our car model, in the name, we can actually increase the font size. So let's go. Where are you? Name. Put here 65. Put the font size. Let's put some 3.42 RAMs. And see, much better. This is some 27.36 pixels, you can see. Now let's see what else we can make here. Even for the title, we can change the font size. So let's copy this, paste here, and just put some 2.9 rams and see. It's too much. Let me put 3. Save again. Yeah, it's much better. Our body, we can increase this font size. Our body is gonna have, it's 1.2 currently, so let's just put 1.8. RAM. Save. Didn't update. Save. Yes, it updated. It's much better now. Or we're going to increase from 1.8 RAM. Oh no, it's too much. 1.8 is nice. What else we can make here? Okay, these buttons can have a different font size here. Let's increase where they are. Here, font size, here we have the default font size. Let's just put 2 rams. Save. Go there. This is 2 rams. Nice. Let's increase more. 0.1, 2, or 3, 4. 3 is better, in my opinion. Let me put here 2.3 rams and save. What else we can make here? I think this is responsive. Let me go. Yes. Let's increase. It looks well in this section, so I'm going to put the viewing, the dock on the right side. Reduce. Yes. Okay. Well, here for the shopping tools, we won't have to make much thing here, or even nothing, because it's centered and it's responsive by itself. What we can do is simply to increase this font size, don't you think? Right here in this breakpoint, let's hover. Where is the font size? Let's change it to maybe 1.6. Okay, 2 rams. Yes, let's make 2 rams. Go to our shopping. Where is the shopping tools? This is a span. The same place. Just put 2 rams. Save. Yes, here we have. Yes, our website is responsive. We did it. And I'm proud of you. You have learned a lot of cool stuff right here. From now, I want you to be confident. And you should be, since the first time that you came into this course, because I told you you would learn a lot. Now you can go find your favorite website, redesign it, put your custom styles, think on your own design, and just put on the web in practice. You can go somewhere, for example, let's see what we have in a famous website. It can be even YouTube. You can simply come here and redesign the layout of YouTube, or while it's opening you can go to Spotify, Netflix and clone that type of content. Let's close and move to the next section.